Have you ever wondered why one or more of your toenails seem to be thicker than the rest? You're not alone. Many people experience this issue, and it's natural to want to understand what's going on with our bodies. I'm Houston podiatrist Dr. Andrew Schneider. So let's dive into the seemingly mysterious toenail situation together because, hey, knowledge is power, right? In this video, we'll explore some common reasons behind thickening toenails as well as ways to prevent or treat them. But before I do, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find this information. Also, I wrote a book all about toenail issues. I'd like to offer it to you as a gift, and you can order it for free at www.mytoenailbook.com. That link is in the description. Ah, the mystery of thick toenails. You're definitely not alone in wondering what's going on with these seemingly impenetrable nails. There are a few common causes for this phenomenon that many people experience. So let's explore them together and see if we can find some answers. One possible reason behind your thick toenail could be a fungal infection called onychomycosis. This pesky little fungus loves to set up camp under our nails, causing them to thicken, discolor, and sometimes even crumble. Another potential culprit is aging. As we get older, our toenails tend to grow more slowly and become thicker due to changes in blood flow and nail growth patterns. A third reason for thickening toenail is trauma. Your toenails get abused. They get stepped on and stubbed. They hit the top and end of your shoes. While some of this trauma isn't painful, the nail does react by thickening. You're not alone in dealing with thickened toenails. Many people experience it at some point in their lives due to various reasons. Aging is one common factor that can lead to thicker nails as our bodies go through natural changes over time. Additionally, if you have a family history of nail disorders or fungal infections, there's a higher likelihood that you might also develop these problems. Of course, lifestyle choices play a significant role in determining our overall health, and this includes the well-being of our toenails too. Wearing tight shoes or keeping your feet damp for extended periods of time can increase the chances of developing fungal infections and other issues leading to thickened nails. It's essential to take good care of these toes by maintaining proper hygiene and choosing footwear that allows your feet to breathe. By being aware of these risk factors and taking preventative measures, you'll be better equipped to keep your toenails healthy and looking great. Let's discuss the symptoms you might experience with them. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us have been or will be in this boat at some point. You may notice your nails turning yellowish or even white, becoming brittle and prone to breaking easily. Sometimes they'll develop an unpleasant odor, making it all more important to get to the root cause quickly. Additionally, pain can accompany these changes as pressure builds up under the nail itself. So if any of these signs ring a bell for you, remember, acknowledging and addressing them is key to keeping our feet happy and healthy. To treat your thickened toenails, you may have heard of some home remedies that can help. These can range from using tea tree oil or Vicks VapoRub on the nail to cure the issues. These treatments are not usually very successful. Medical treatments are another avenue to explore when seeking relief from this common issue. You'll be glad to know that your podiatrist can recommend various effective options such as prescription topical medications or oral antifungal drugs. Some also recommend laser therapy in some cases. You're not alone, as many of us have experienced thickened toenails at some point in our lives. It's a common issue that can be used by various factors like fungal infections, aging, or trauma to the nail. The good news is there are steps you can take to prevent this from happening again and maintain healthy nails. One way to keep your toenails in top shape is by practicing proper hygiene and paying attention to your overall health. Regularly trimming your nails straight across with a clean instrument reduces the likelihood of injury or infection, while keeping the area dry helps to minimize the risk of fungus developing. So there you have it. Whether it's because of an uninvited guest or just part of life's natural progression, you know why your toenail may be putting up such a strong front. Although it may take some time for a thickened toenail to return to its normal state after treatment, being proactive and seeking medical advice will help ensure that any underlying issues are addressed. When it comes to footwear, we should be mindful of our choices, as certain types can contribute to the development of thickened toenails. It's important to wear shoes that fit well and provide proper support, especially during physical activities or extended periods of standing. Additionally, maintaining good foot hygiene can also play a significant role in preventing this condition. Lastly, while there are home remedies and over-the-counter products available that claim to alleviate discomfort caused by thickened toenails, these options may not always provide long-term relief. Consulting with your podiatrist is recommended when dealing with persistent or worsening symptoms. We'll be able to determine if the problem is indicative of an underlying disease or condition requiring further attention. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. I wrote a book all about toenail issues, and I'd like to send it to you at no charge. Visit www.mytoenailbook.com to request your copy. The link is in the description below. If you're experiencing thick or painful toenails, it's important for us to understand the cause so it can be effectively treated. Come into the office and we'll get to the bottom of it. The link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.